Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now we're looking for Bitcoin to break this high. Obviously, just there. This is a key high. You break that, wow, you're confirming a monster impulsive wave here for Bitcoin, and potentially your ABC correction or your corrections in here somewhere. Okay, and you've put it in inside this time frame, which is amazing because at that point you would say, okay, well we put wave one in that time frame, and wave two's been put in that time frame, and right now we're looking at some kind of big wave three, and the target for wave three I'll go with you in a moment, but we still could be in a correction here, and this is why I've exited my long, because just there, what I actually did here yesterday was open a short just there, okay, and we came up into this level of resistance. I had squeaky bum time because I thought we were going to get stopped out basically, and again this is why you set stop losses, but at this point we started to bounce off that, okay, this level of resistance just there, and so at that point I thought, oh, okay, this is a beautiful little short opportunity then, and we are coming down, so I was in profit obviously, and at this point we started to hold this level of support as support. So it's at that point we got two closes on that level of support, and I closed my short, okay, and I've actually gone long because of this scenario. So I've opened a long here, and what I've done, I've rode it, okay, and I've actually closed my short, my long right now, sorry. So basically I went short, ran into resistance, confirmed that resistance, almost got stopped out, squeaky bum time, rode a little short down, not much profit. As soon as we started to close down here, I noticed, okay, we're holding this support, we're looking like we're coiling up for a breakout here, and this is why I've gone long, closed my short, was tiny little profit and gone long, and I'll show you exactly why I've closed my long, because from here to here, let me show you, from there to there you've met the 1618, so you've basically got a lovely little impulsive move here. This is the low, this is the high, and what you've done, you've broken out and you've met the 1618. Look at that, multiple tests of resistance, confirming resistance, TP. So this scenario right here, what this is some kind of correction back down to this low right now, okay, so I'm not necessarily in the long at the moment. I'm looking for another retest of support here to confirm that this is some kind of ABC correction. At this point, down here, try and catch it as low as I can, and this ABC back down to this low, because at this point this is where you could start to break out for Bitcoin, okay, and I'm trying to catch it as low as I can. So for me right now, I'm going to show you that what we're looking at is some kind of impulsive move here and this corrective move, okay, and this is all part of one wave which potentially lowballed out just there. So we could be saying the wave 2 correction is done here, okay, it's done, dusted. That would be absolutely amazing, and like I said to you, within this time frame of wave 1 we put in the wave 2. I would love to tell you conclusively that this is some kind of A, B, C zigzag correction, and right now we're coming up the stairs impulsively and we're looking to break out for Bitcoin. So there's absolutely zero guarantees of anything, because this could actually start to be this still could be the ABC like this. You could be in an A, you could be in a B, and you could be rolling in a C coming down, and the ABC zigzag extends beyond this time frame of wave 1. Do you understand that? So the way to validate this right now obviously is break this high, that this was your correction low down here, and you could say, okay, well, let's take a look at retracement levels here for Bitcoin, because this was your high and wave 2 retraced all the way to the low, and where did it find support? On the 0382 fib, which is actually quite a strong level of support if Bitcoin has actually retraced to that. You could say the retracement's in, or you could say, okay, if we fail to break this high, this is an A leg, this is a B leg, and you're looking at a C leg drop, and you're looking at 702 or the golden ratio, something like that, which is what Bitcoin usually likes to retrace to. But let's say, for example, okay, we've had a retracement down to the 382, beautiful, we held at support, caught up, and right now we're beginning to break out. The confirmation of the breakout right here for Bitcoin would be simply to break that high. So what I'm looking for is impulsive and corrective moves here, start to come back up the stairs and break that high, okay, and what this would be a third wave, which is always the most powerfulest, okay. Like I said to you, we do need to see a third wave to confirm that this is impulsive, and the third wave, in my opinion, the target will be up here on this white line, because I would like to see Bitcoin get its ass above that, within the next few days here, by the end of the month. So if we start to look at some of the fib levels right here, I'm going to show you what I'm potentially looking at right now. Is this is impulsive, okay, this is corrective as well, back down to this low. So basically this is impulsive, this is corrective, this is impulsive, this is corrective, okay, and it's all waves within waves. So right now you can measure all this. So if we take a look at this, from there to this low, you actually retraced and you came down to the golden ratio. Look at that, fantastic area to put bids in. So you broke out, fell back to support, put bids on the golden ratio, and you got your breakout, okay. And like I said to you, rode the 1618 fib all the way up there, and this is where I've took profit on that trade from this long just there, okay. And this is what I teach you, trader ranges. And like I said to you, support and resistance is constantly changing. This is why you can come to your charts. For example, this was not a level of resistance, but when you started to come up here, it's created that level of resistance. So this became a neckline. Do you understand? can see this neckline right here, okay? And what happened is you've broken out, you fell back to support, you've broken out and you've fallen back to support once more. You're coming up in some kind of B leg at the moment. Now if you do have a little C leg drop, I'm going to show you some technical targets that I'm potentially looking at, okay? This potential ABC correction that Bitcoin's pulling in right now. You know, if you get some support down here and start to come back up, this is quite bullish, because this would be a really big push here for Bitcoin that would potentially break that high, okay? So like I said to you, I'm going to show you all your levels. So at the minute we can say, okay, well this is your low, this is your high, and like this low here and this high, you retrace to the golden ratio. So let's take a look at this, where you potentially retrace to so far for Bitcoin. So from that high just there, which was a 1618, all the way back down there, you can see at the moment you found support on the 050 fib. So if this is an ABC like this, A, B, and then you roll again, the 55 EMA and the golden ratio just there at 20597 could be an amazing area to go long on Bitcoin. If you're not long already, with a really tight stop loss, okay, where's the stop loss? It'll be on your 0 fib, on your 1 fib, because like I said to you, you're creating a retracement here, and if you fall through, you're no longer retracing, you're creating something called a reversal wave. And at this point you could say, okay, well this is an A, this is a B, and right now you roll into a C, and the 1618 will be your target. Do you understand? So that's basically trading the ranges. This is what I teach you in the space. So this is why you always hold support, use stop losses, you know, don't over leverage, don't be a degen. But right now, potentially, Bitcoin is in this ABC correction coming down to at least a golden ratio here. Now, if this holds, you could say we've got impulsive move, corrective move, impulsive move, corrective move, and you're potentially looking at some large impulsive move just there for Bitcoin moving forward, okay? Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. But the most important thing here is close above that level of resistance. That's amazing. Lose this key level support down here, not so amazing, okay? And hopefully, you know, with all of this, we can trade the ranges and find setups and plays going forward, okay, whether short or long, doesn't matter. Take care everyone, back to another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.